Let's take a look at how easy Hager's 8400 series operator is to install and program. The 8400 series operator system includes operator mounting plate and operator, motor, an arm shoe, a main arm, aluminum slide arm, on-off switch, aluminum cover, and all mounting screws. To begin, install a shim above the door frame to create a stable platform. A shim should be placed only when mounting on a hollow metal frame. Measure the door frame to position the two initial screw locations that will align with the mounting slots on the operator. Drill or tap the two holes and partially install the two screws. Slide the operator mounting plate onto the two mounting screws. Tighten the two mounting screws. Then install the remaining mounting screws through the existing mounting holes in the back of the mounting plate. To mount the arm shoe onto the door, measure and drill holes in the door 18 inches from the hinge jamb. Using these pilot holes, securely screw the arm shoe onto the door. Install the main arm onto the operator spindle 90 degrees from the door surface. Measure and cut the aluminum slide arm to the appropriate length for the frame reveal that is present. Reattach the slide arm to the main arm and secure it to the arm shoe. A very important step to remember is, before connecting power to the operator, readjust the main arm to the motor, allowing for a minimum of 6 degrees preload and pull against the motor resistance to make the final 90 degrees connection to the door portion. Now, check the handing direction. If the operator does not close slowly when opened manually, the handing direction will need to be changed. While power is still unconnected, slide the S1 switch to the alternate position to change direction. Set the adjustable fixed stop prior to conducting a calibration run. Verify the main arm is installed correctly by opening and closing the door mechanically to assure that it operates correctly. Wire 120-volt AC power to the operator. Insert the on-off switch in the left or right pre-cut slots in the end caps. The switch can also be installed in the slot located in the bottom of the mounting plate. Install the end plates at both ends of the mounting plate. Now connect the wire lead to the switch. Reset the operator by pressing and holding the multifunction button for 8 red flashes. Next, calibrate the operator by pressing and holding the multifunction button for 3 red flashes. Now, verify calibration by pressing and holding the multifunction button for 1 red flash. Finally, connect wires from the push plates or actuators to the appropriate terminals. Fit the aluminum cover over the mounting plate, and installation is complete. Hager Companies has been supplying products for the door hardware industry for over 160 years. It was only natural to take the next step into more sophisticated products such as low-energy power operators. With Hager's reputation for quality products and exceptional customer service, customers can feel confident in trusting Hager when outfitting their door openings with a cutting-edge product such as the 8400 series low-energy power operator.